I'm cleaning out the Camaro and whatnot. And I see a bunch of water and coolant and whatnot. Oh yeah, it's definitely on the other side. You know, probably need a new crank too. This camera's focus and everything's just so broken because I've dropped it so many times. Like it won't even zoom in and out right without shaking the whole lens now. Welcome to Camaro vlog number 7. Actually, number 8, I think. One of the two. It gets confusing. It is 7 a.m. The sunrise is so beautiful right now. Camera can't even focus. Yeah, it doesn't want to. I'm gonna take a couple pictures. This is insane. Yeah, it's about impossible to capture what it actually looks like, but it still looks pretty on camera, but nothing compared to what I'm actually seeing right now. Camaro was right there. Wait. Is that an outline of a Camaro right there? Camaro girl. What the hell? Thought you ran off on me. Apparently the weeds like the Camaro more than the Z. They like the Z way more than the Lumina apparently. It's like a forest out here. Well, Zach's been here because the music's on. Huh. Time to try to save the Camaro. Should be good enough. As long as I can get inside. I'm gonna pull it out with the Saturn. Should I? Okay, so the frickin' exhaust just snapped off. Oh, I love this car. Heard a bunch of clanking and shit.
Should just be able to pull it. Oh, yeah, the drive shaft is hanging too.
Yeah, the drive shaft should be fine.
It's not hanging though, like it was.
It's on the ground.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that was on a little hook thing from one of the last vlogs. That's great. Since it seems like it's going to be hell to get that thing out, I'm just going to zip tie it up or something. I don't know. I'm going to figure something out with this exhaust on the drive shaft real quick. That came out my exhaust, go figure. That's gnarly. I ran out of memory, but go figure. It's beautiful this morning. And go figure the camera can't exactly capture what I'm seeing. But that's okay, one day I'll get like a super fancy camera. Something like that. Alright, so screw taking the drive shaft out and the rest of the exhaust. I just kind of mocked it up. All ghetto-like. Exhaust is zip tied up there. And the drive shaft is hanging by a hanger. So whenever we decide to push around the Camaro, the drive shaft will just spin in place on the hanger without messing anything up. It's gonna do stuff. It's gonna make noise and whatnot, but it should not be dug into the ground and whatnot. Because it's like a female spline, the end of the drive shaft, and it's filled with dirt. Now what's next? I don't know. Actually, I kind of just want to clean out the Camaro. A lot of these tools in here I thought I lost, and yeah, they're in here. Alright, so I'm totally about to make a new Integra intro. That's short and simple and fun. Filled with some new shit. There we go. Pretty much just gonna make a to-go home pile, I guess you could call it. My pistons, crank, of course the heads. Guess that's it. Just want to bring it all to the machine shop and get it all inspected so I could really know what direction to go. Whether I put a V8 in it, 2J swap it, rebuild this V6, I don't know. I don't know yet. I really want to rebuild the V6, honestly. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get a to-go home pile gathered up. Block, internals, heads, whatever else. And then I'm going to clean up the inside of the Camaro as much as I can, along with the outside, because she deserves it. To be honest, guys, I stayed up all night long, as usual. And I'm kind of dead now. It's getting to be like noonish, a little afternoon, and yeah, I'm starting to feel it. I'm probably gonna chill out for the rest of the day and edit some vlogs and some intros. And whenever I wake back up, I'll probably most definitely come back in here and fix all this stuff. Load up the heads, the block, the internals. And then I also want to clean off this table some, so I can put all this stuff on the table and clean out the interior as much as I can, along with the exterior. And yeah, that'll be it for this vlog. But like I said, I want to take a nap, chill out, and all that, and then I'll come back to this stuff over here. So I'm cleaning out the Camaro and whatnot, and I see a bunch of water. Ruined the alternator, power steering, AC compressor. Sorry, Camaro. I thought this hatch was holding, but apparently not. There's a moth stuck in there. Oh, no, he's good. He's not stuck. I want to race car the hell out of this thing. 2J swap. If I can save this V6, I will. But maybe in the future, I'll get another 3rd gen and 2J swap it.
2J, throw an automatic behind a custom drive.
If people really want it, man, I'll do it. I don't know. I mean, it's all a matter of time and money. So if I could save this thing and reuse that crank, I'll be golden.
Is this that piece of shit we're throwing away right now?
Huh?
This is that piece of shit we're throwing away right now?
I'm throwing this away?
Fuck. Scrap it for it.
There it is. Getting there. I don't know if I'm gonna gut out the entire interior.
I was thinking chop this even with that there.
Yeah.
Texture across there.
Considering it's Florida and it does get really, really hot. Look what I found in here. A dime on heads. The heads was underneath all the bullshit. That's awesome. So apparently 3rd gen Camaros have a spare inside of the interior. I wonder how many people went without knowing that they actually had a spare. I looked in there, I'm like, wait, do I see a Steely in there? What the hell? Looking clean back here now. Just rinsed off old Marrow Girl real quick with the hose, because Lord knows she deserves it. Always looking clean and mean. Mean and clean. Whew. About to tow the Camaro out the way. About good enough, if you ask me. Oh, you're good. You know, driving the Camaro like any other day. Sounds nice. Listen to her purr. Alright, you're good. Holy mackerel. Oh my god! Yes! I actually pushed him out the way. Oh my god. Yo, that little Saturn gets it. Huh? I literally pushed you. We like to have fun out here. Yeah, Camaro girl is in a new spot. Didn't really want to put her in the old spot because probably just going to get overgrown real fast again. I want to try to not let that happen again. And oh my lantern. More shenanigans. What's up? Oh shit. Huh? Damn, Taggy. How do you feel about that? Got the block and heads loaded up in the Saturn and the crank. Gonna bring the rest of the internals and the Taggy. But yeah, it's looking like a wrap. Whew.
Going to Hoonigan?
You going to Hoonigan?
Yeah, man. It's a wrap.
That's a wrap! That's a wrap! Holy shit. Got to take some pictures of the Taggy and Camaro, because why not, you know? They're my cars. I love both of them. Look at them. Alright guys, that looks like that's about it for this vlog. It's starting to get really hot. And yeah, got a lot done, I guess, for this vlog. Saved the Camaro from all of that madness, all that overgrow. And I'm gonna continue to keep the weeds away from her. But yeah, stay tuned for what's to come with the Camaro and all my other fun projects I plan on doing. And it's hot. Whoa. It's my first time ever doing this, by the way. Everything is greasy and dirty, like, just look at that. That's just pure grease and oil and dirt.